What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mikey Will here. Make sure if you guys haven't already hit that subscribe button, follow along for more content. I want to talk about these MX, SX, everything, 500, 650, whatever you guys got. They're all interchangeable. The electronics on these things are beautiful when they're upgraded, but one problem that I definitely have is like the chain drive system. These little, I'm not really showing it. Yeah, these little, what do they call? Chain tensioners. Yeah, these little chain tensioners definitely caused me quite a bit of trouble. This is actually like a rusted one. It's not really rusted, it's just kind of gross and corroded a little bit, but I can clean it up with some stuff, and I just gotta put the rear tire back on with the tools and stuff like that. But these things have a lot of problems. Mainly, I've popped a couple chains already because these things are incredibly torquey. So please understand that when you get these builds, you might run into some problems with the rear sprocket or this sprocket or just the chain tensioner in general. These things are incredibly powerful. So have your fun while you're having it, because you might end up with some random BS that you gotta go through, and it's not really a big deal. It's just like taking off the chain, and sometimes taking off the little master clip isn't always easy. So I just want to let you guys know more about that. But other than that, these things are a blast. Not really having too many problems. It's like that's really the only problem I can really say between that's the only problem I can really say. I don't really have much else to say. It's just annoying sometimes taking the wheel on and off and having to deal with changing the tire on like constantly. So when you guys buy this build, whether it's the 48, 72 volt, doesn't really matter, or even the 60 volt battery if you get that one too, be aware that there is chain drive issues. Some people won't have any. I've seen some people just go with their stock one, their stock Razor chain tensioner, have zero problems, but I actually had some. So I'm actually gonna see what happens with this bike to see if it has the same problems, and then I'll upload another video and tell you guys what happened. But until then, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, like, comment, subscribe, everything. Follow along for more content. Thank you guys for really watching and subscribing and everything else.